Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you that how to create a best looking portfolio on Behance. So this tutorial is about Behance. So before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and also like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. So what is Behance? So Behance is a social media platform owned by Adobe, whose main focus is to showcase and discover creative work. Behance was founded. So Behance is basically a place where you can share your portfolio or your creative work with other pupils. Let's suppose that if you are a freelancer, then you can create your own amazing portfolio on Behance, and when someone asks you to send them your portfolio, you can just send them this Behance link and they will come to Behance and they will just basically see your amazing portfolio. So first of all, you will need to type Behance in Google and then you will just open up Behance here. So you will just tap on this Behance here and then the www.behance.net web page will be opened, and now just we have to wait a little bit. So now this kind of window will appear when you open up the behance.com. So now here you can see that here are like multiple persons that have shared their creative work, their portfolios here. You can just check out someone if you like. So we will just click on this for you page here, and for you is the most popular page here. So now it's showing us different category here. So if your category is graphic design, you can select this one. If your category is fine arts, photography, interior design, so I will just look for video editing here or motion graphics here. Maybe it's here somewhere, it should be here. So visualization, and so we have here the motion graphics. So I will just click on this motion graphics here and it will just show me all the portfolios and creative work related to the motion graphics here. Okay, so we will just wait it here until it loads it up for us. So I will just click on this one, motion graphics here, and it should show us the motion graphic templates. Okay, so now it is showing us all the motion graphic templates. Okay, so if you want to view any template here, you will just click on that specific template and it will get loads up here. So it should be loads up here. So basically I think we have, okay, so now it's loads up here. So actually it depends upon the speed of your internet. So this is the PDF file that you view. Okay, so here you can see that this person has this beautiful amazing portfolio here. So these are the persons who created this amazing portfolio, and now these are the tools that they use: Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects. So now if you scroll down here, you can see that this game is amazing and I love how it make me feel about myself. So now they have their like different kind of work here that you can show, and you have to click on this any element here, it will show us here. So we just have to wait until it loads up here. So I will just go and cross here. So these are all their work, and this is their amazing work that they do, and this is their beautiful and creative looking portfolio. So if we just cross this from here, we can just look for another portfolio here. So let's you can also customize this. Let's look for this portfolio here. Okay, let's look for this one. Just click on this and this portfolio will loads up here. So we just have to wait a little bit. So these are the persons who created this amazing portfolio, which is the Wanderlust Studio. You can message them and the tools that you use, and you can, if you want, you can just like this, and they have the video on top of it, and I think that this is the show reel. And if you don't want to view it, we just scroll down here and you will see something more related work here. So this is the so these are the portfolios, the creative work that you can basically show. So now we will get started with this. We will basically sign up. So I will just tap on this sign up option here, and first of all basically we have to create an account here. So I will just tap on this sign up option here, and now we have like multiple different ways to sign up with. So just wait, like we can sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or we can just enter our email here. So I will just tap on Google here, and if you have an Adobe ID you can log in with that, and I will just choose my this email here, and I will just log in with my email here. Okay, so now you can see that we are logged into our like uh, Behance dashboard here. And then what we will do here basically, so you can basically follow these pupils here, okay, and you can basically view their premium content as well, but you just have to like pay them. Okay, so these are their rates: $5, $5, 10 $10 here. And now if you want to create your own work, like if you want to make your own kind of like portfolio here, you can just share your work, and then you will tap on this project option here, and then you will see this kind of window here. So then the first thing that you wanted to add, you wanted to add an image here. So I will show you how to do this. You can add text here, and you can add different type of images here, but then you have to create those images. Okay, if you want to add an image here, let's suppose that on start you want any image here or any video here, so you have to create those images here. Okay, so for this I will use Canva here. So you will go into the Canva website, just open up the Canva website here, and let's suppose that I am creating a graphic designing template here. So what we will basically do here, we will search for here where it says like search thousand of templates. So we will just type here like portfolio portfolio here, and portfolio graphic design, sorry, and we will just hit enter, and it will show us all the portfolios about graphic design. So obviously some are paid and some are like not paid. So I will just click on this first one. This is free, this is not paid, and we can just basically click on customize this template here, and now we will basically make our complete portfolio here, and we will just upload that image here. So then you just have to like basically customize this template. So if I just click on this here, add a page here, and now I just add any kind of like pictures or text here. Let's suppose if I wanted to some add a text here, add a headline here, so you can just go type here portfolio here, and then if you wanted to add an image here, you can just go to the images option here where it says photos, and you can just search million of different photos here. So magic recommendations, just see all, and this is pro, this is pro, all of this is pro. So basically this is free. Just tap on this one and you can just adjust it here. So you get the idea that how to do this. And in apps here we have this new app here which is like text to image. So this should be in, there should be an app here. I don't know why it's not here, but you can check for yourself. So that's the basic tutorial about how to create an amazing portfolio at Behance. So first of all you just open up Behance, and in your niche you just have to check basically that what kind of portfolios are trending here, and then you can basically just go into the canva.com and create that kind of template or that kind of portfolio, and then just upload it into Behance. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.